Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. In today's session, I am going to discuss a class 10th topic. Topic's name is water of crystallization and chapter's name is acids, bases and salts. Students, before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads and press the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends also. So now come with me and let's crack chemistry. Students, in today's session, we are going to learn that some of the salts like blue vitriol, green vitriol, plaster of Paris, gypsum, etc., which seems to be dry, are they really dry? Answer of this question you are going to get with the help of a very interesting activity. So now let's see the activity. In this activity, we have taken a dry test tube. In this test tube, you have taken a few crystals of blue vitriol. Chemical name of blue vitriol is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Its formula is CuSO4.5H2O. And as the name indicates, it's blue in color. Now you have to heat this blue vitriol with the help of a burner using a pair of tongs. After some time, you will observe few water droplets on the inner walls of the test tube, and you will also observe that the color of the salt changes from blue to white. So now you must be trying to get answers of these two questions. First question is that from where these water droplets have come. Second question is that why the color of salt changes from blue to white. So we are going to give the answers one by one. Answer of first question is that the appearance of water droplets on the inner walls of the test tubes are from the hydrated salt, which was blue vitriol. As I discussed in the beginning that blue vitriol is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Its formula is CuSO4.5H2O. So when you heated the sample of blue vitriol, these 5 water molecules were lost from this blue vitriol and they converted into water vapors and finally they condensed on the inner walls of the test tubes. Now I'm going to give the answer of the second question. Second question was related with the color. So after heating you have seen that the color changes from blue to white. So why the color changes from blue to white? The color changes from blue to white because the 5 water molecules which are found to be associated in case of blue vitriol, they have lost after heating. So the hydrated copper sulfate was converted into anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous is made up of two words, An. N means without. Hydrous is derived from the word hydra. The meaning of hydra is water. So now you got answers of both the questions. Now add few drops of water to the anhydrous salt. You will observe that the color changes again from white to blue. Why it changed from white to blue? Because it combined with 5 water molecules and again it was converted into copper sulfate pentahydrate. The changes which we have just discussed can be represented as CuSO4.5H2O, which is a blue colored hydrated salt, on heating loses 5 molecules of water which were associated with it in the form of water of crystallization and converts into white colored anhydrous salt CuSO4. If we put few drops of water again in this anhydrous salt, it will get associated with 5 water molecules per formula unit and will convert into hydrated salt again whose color is blue. So after this discussion, it must be clear to you blue color of copper sulfate pentahydrate is because of the presence of 5 water molecules which were associated with it in the form of water of crystallization. Such salts are called as hydrated salts. So hydrated salts are those salts which are found to be associated with water molecules in the form of water of crystallization. Now one more point I would like to mention here that in hydrated salts, the number of water molecules which are associated are always fixed. For example, in case of copper sulfate, 5 water molecules are associated with it. In case of hydrated ferrous sulfate salt, 7 water molecules are associated with it. Now we are going to define another term which is water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is a fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of the salt. You can see here in this slide, hydrated salts are those salts which have water molecules associated with them in the form of water of crystallization. And water of crystallization are fixed number of water molecules which are present in one formula unit of the salt. And students, I would like to mention one more point here, that is formula unit. So always remember that the term formula unit is used in case of ionic compounds. In case of ionic compounds, instead of using the word molecule, we use the word formula unit. Like NaCl is one formula unit of sodium chloride. MgCl2 is one formula unit of magnesium chloride. Now I would like to discuss few more examples of hydrated salts. In this diagram, you can see this is the blue colored salt. This salt just now I discussed with you. This is blue vitriol. Its chemical name is copper sulfate pentahydrate. Its formula is CuSO4.5H2O. On heating, it changes into a white colored anhydrous copper sulfate salt. Now look at this green colored salt. Students, this green colored salt is also a hydrated salt. Its chemical name is ferrous sulfate heptahydrate and its formula is FeSO4.7H2O. It consists of 7 water molecules of crystallization. Common name of this ferrous sulfate heptahydrate is green vitriol. Now let's discuss the third example of hydrated salt. Students, the third example of hydrated salt is washing soda. This compound is there in your syllabus. Its preparation, properties and uses are all there in your syllabus. So washing soda is Na2CO3.10H2O, sodium carbonate decahydrate. Another example of hydrated salt is POP. POP means plaster of Paris. Its chemical name is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. So its formula is CaSO4.half H2O. It is a white colored salt. Now let's discuss that last example. Last example is gypsum. Students, gypsum is also a hydrated salt. Its name is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Its formula is CaSO4.2H2O. Gypsum is also a white color salt. Students, whatever points I discussed with you are given here in this slide. So you can see here water of crystallization. And you can see the examples of hydrated salts. Hydrated salts are those salts which consist of water molecules associated with them in the form of water of crystallization. So all these examples I discussed with you just now. This is blue vitriol, then you have green vitriol, washing soda, then gypsum, then POP. They all are the examples of hydrated salts. Students, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope each and every point is clear to you. Please subscribe my channel and like this video in case you have liked it, and share this video with your friends also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.